So this program is going to sum values up to the value that a user enters. So if they enter, so for example, if user enters 5, program will sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And I'm going to also put the program does not allow negative starting values. Okay, so let's put in some comments for the structure of our code. So we need some variables. So after we have our variables, so we need to get the value from the user. So we're going to ask for a number. So then we're going to verify the input. Yeah, so while loop to sum numbers. So cout, enter a number, and then cin, and let's just call this number to make it easy. So then we need a variable for number. Since we just want this to be an integer, since we're going to sum like in whole multiples, so int number. Now, so now we don't want we don't want to accept negative numbers. So verify input, don't accept negative numbers. While number is less than 0, say invalid, please enter a positive number, and then cin number. Now we have our number, because this while loop is going to keep running until they enter something valid. So as long as they're entering something invalid, it's going to keep running. And I'm going to actually change this to less than or equal to 0, because I don't want them to enter 0 either. So now we want a while loop to sum the number. While, and then down here, so we have total is equal to total plus number. And then we, let's check, so let's do a cout. Let's just do sum of numbers, total. So let's compile and run this. Okay, so enter a number. Let's just start with something low so we can verify. So 3, yeah, so that works for that one. Let's try something else.